बड़े हो जाओ, बचकाना हरकतें छोड़ दो। बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री अच्छी है लेकिन असली जिंदगी मुख्तलिफ होती है। डीजीआई इस्पियार का गोदी मीडिया को मशवरा। भारत के मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया पर चलने वाली खबरों पर भी खूब मुस्कुराए। कहा कि आप ऐसे जंग जीतेंगे। भारतीय मीडिया पर पाकिस्तान को फतह करने की जो खबर चलाई गई ये बदहवासी थी। हमने जो आपके 5 तैयारे गिराए हैं उसकी दुनिया मुतरफ हो चुकी है।
They live in movies. I must give credit. They have a very good theater. They have very good this Bollywood, but that's not the reality. You have to grow out. Please stop living in Bollywood. Grow up. This sort of war they can keep on fighting for next many days. They think that this is war, that whatever comes to your mind you start claiming. Why they are doing it? What's the sense of doing this? Because your face has been blackened on night of 6th and 7th May. Because we shot down your aircraft, your so-called very high technology aircraft that you were having, and you thought you can get away with it. And then once you didn't want to send your manned aircraft, you sent your unmanned drones, and we took each one of them out. Your face is being rubbed. You are frustrated. We can feel your frustration. We can feel your anger.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।